Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Robertson. Welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a short video, but it's going to be a very useful video. If you have a Cricut machine and you are challenging sometime, the machine just won't read those image, and I'm going to share with you how I'm going to fix that problem. And so far, it works just perfect. So I got the Cricut, the digital die-cut machine a few years ago. I think probably just before the pandemic. And be honest with you, I love the machine. I use this machine to prepare my classes material and also prepare for my cruise. And I found that it's very useful, but I am not the expert of the Cricut. So Cricut machine. So when Cricut. So when I use this machine, and in the beginning, when these things happen, the first thing is that, okay, I got to change my toner. You know what? I just changed the brand new toner, and then you have to reset your toner. You know what? It's, if you just want to print like a cut one or two, it's really not worth your time. But if in case when you're using it and then it doesn't print, so I'm going to show you my weapon. Okay, this is my weapon. All you need is a black marker. So I have a Sharpie here, and then you are going to need a ruler. So I think the Cricut, they just updated a new system. Before, when you want to printing the print and cut, they have at least a black frame, and then the whole frame. But I think a few weeks ago, I found out they become only have a few, like these few corners. Okay, and then you can see, because I just changed my toner, and then we should work very fine. And then my black line is pretty solid, right? And then, but like my image maybe have a little bit didn't really print well, and I found out that doesn't really matter as long as at least the four corner one is dark enough. The machine should read. But I don't know what happening, because I have a brand new toner, and I load my mat and it just don't print. I just try, and I know it's so frustrated when you have the machine and then it doesn't work, and then you really need to use this machine to do something, right? So here's what you're gonna do. You are going to just use a Sharpie. It doesn't have to make it like a perfect job, even though when you see this line is pretty dark, but it doesn't read, right? So when it doesn't read, what you're going to do is you going to just use your Sharpie to to recover those line. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to do your best. A little bit thicker, it's okay. So, or all you have to do is just make sure you use your black marker. Just color, just draw like a redrawing this four corner line, just like that. Simple as is. And then now you run through your machine, they will cut just like that. So I know my channel is supposed to make the car, but I know, but a lot of you guys a lot of you guys have this Cricut machine. Like I say, it is a good machine, but it can be so stressful when it doesn't work. Just give a try. Next time when you have this message pop out, say the same, they cannot read the sensor mark, use a black Sharpie and then just color the four corner, and then it will work. And if it does work, leave me a comment, let me know. I will be very happy to find out how many of you have the same issue, and then this trick and fix it. I will be very happy. So I do have a lot of a free PNG file ready for you to download. If you like, just go check it out. And then that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.